Ye kurigereria amang'ana y'obochenu ime county ya Nairobi banyarko bagokora etaro ase chinsemo ao airinderia kunyarko bakurigereria ing'anchira kichi besa chikunyarko bachigosira kurwase ekegancha kia NHIF chinga kichicho nigo nonye nabo omwaziri ase wizara y'obochenu Susan Nakumicha anyarko akawesa okena goteba buna ekegancha iki kia NHIF nigo gwikira bono giasirire chi billion emerongo ebere egento noye nabo borobu kia nyarko bagekubairira borobu kunyarko bagwesokia na okora chitaro ase chinyagitari ao airinderio kurigereria ng'a chibese chionchera kichanyarko bachigosira ase chinchera chiobotukanu ase etare yabo nigo banyarko bagotara ose kamiti nigo yanyarko bakegotarira egati yechinyagitari egati yabo enyagitari ya Beirut Nursing Home egati ya enyagitari yende ya Mala Nursing Home Boigo Joy Nursing Home amone enyagitari ya Equity Afya korende ase banyora ng'a chinyagitari chichonsi nyenigo chisiekire n'abanyene kunyarko bakung'anya korwasi chinseme chikorende egento barurege kurege tindike igima nagoteba buna nigo barachikogendera Okounekia na kurigereria ng'a Obokurumi bwanyarko bogokianibwa anene mono ase ekegancha ekio kunyarko bakegokonya abarwaria kunyarko bakonyora oborwaria imense ya Kenya.
Is that you are working in partnership with the doctors?
Yes, exactly.
Is there a contractual agreement? Because this is a facility. You have a responsibility if the doctors messes up here. You have that responsibility, but you cannot operate like in a jungle where nobody is responsible for anything because there's no contract. And this is human medicine we are dealing with. That's what we are asking.
I really want to thank the media for having highlighted the issues that are bedeviling the health sector, and more so the NHIF through this kind of fraud. This hospital, when you look at it, it is indicating that they are both inpatient and outpatient services. In a hospital where you have those services, you have no reason at all to close it when you hear that parliamentary committee are coming around. Because where are the patients? If you close it that way, it means this hospital has no patients.
Were claimed from NHIF, and that is why we are asking to know who in particular authorized for those surgeries, so that I think it's a high time that people were held liable so that they can be a lesson to other people. This country must change.
Came from the same companies. An audit of the attendance sheets of those companies show that patients whose claims were lodged by NHIF here were on duty in the companies where they are employed and where their NHIF deductions are made. The visit and the recommendation by the KMPDC was for Amal to suspend its inpatient services.
Why your license was withdrawn?
They were saying that our theatre we didn't meet the qualification in terms of theatre.
On audit, a total of 54 claims worth 7 million had radiology films, reports manipulated for pre-authorization as support documents to justify procedures. Kindly respond to that.